I'm here at the Angel Cafe here in East Vancouver again. We had a fantastic Malaysian beef brisket last time. So we're going in to try some more dishes. So let's go inside and check it out. So this is the dried bok choy. So a very traditional soup. You get the pork bones in there. Look at that big chunk of pork bone. Oh, look at that, look at that. Food here is pretty good value. You get big portions and you get the soup included and you get a drink. And you, for $1 extra, you get the milk tea. So this is part of the soup. Look at that big, huge bone. When you buy it from the market, you get a few pieces of this bone is like $7 or $8. They're like $4 a pound. You get like 3 big chunks of bones in the soup itself. Nice and tender. Wow. Lots of flavor. Ooh, the soup.
Chicken sausage and a short rib beef. And then instead of rice, because I'm a keto-ish kind of guy. Yeah. This is actually perfection.
This one. This one. Mixed grill here. Oh, thank you. Wow, that's good. Wow. Thank you. Look at this milk tea. I'm going to have this at the end of lunch. Like a big, huge glass of milk tea for $1 extra. I said, I was talking about the museum. The guy has 4 wives, 23 kids. And her husband said, well, that's because he's rich. He can break all the rules. Can you imagine we're going to the Chinese Canadian Museum. It's somebody's house. The guy has 4 wives, 23 kids. He's polygamous. And yet we use that to celebrate Chinese people. Chinese people are ashamed.
Thank you. Oh, look at this.
I am surprised.
Beef brisket with the sinews. Malaysian style. We had that last time. So good. It came back for a second round. And you get some rice with it. Yeah, my mom really likes the curry beef brisket, Malaysian style. Hi, Ma. Did you think of it? Yeah. It turned out to be one of our favorites from now on. So when I eat the beef brisket, I always make sure I eat the sinews. Look at it, look at it.
Yeah,
nice.
excellent.
And this is gravy sauce.
Thank you very much.
Actually, I haven't had it for a long time.
Wow, this is nice. Oh yeah? I don't know.
So we're just going to pour some gravy over this. Look at that. Wow. Oh, smother it, smother it. Look at that. Ooh. My dad's restaurant, they used to serve it. I had it at the Ovaltine Cafe many years ago. So I'm really looking forward to this.
I've been here before, but I haven't had the best conditions.
Look at this ox tongue. I haven't had this for so long. That's a nice gravy with the ox tongue and slice. Simple to make. One day I'm going to make this myself again.
Very good. My second time I had it. Very good. Yeah. Yeah, same. Even better. Ox tongue, my dad used to make it. It used to be thicker. But that was a long time ago when ox tongue was cheaper.
Oh, yeah, of course. This is a small portion.
Huh?
Twice as
But it's very good taste though.
you have the 3
Yeah.
pieces of the...
Yeah, it's very good taste. Yeah.
Everywhere I go, I always order the special chow mein. So this is their version. Look at that, look at it. So you get lots of shrimp here. You get some, what is that, squid? You get some chicken. You get some Chinese veggies on the side. And you get lots and lots of noodles. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, can you believe this? This is the mussel in the shell. You've got some shrimp here. So you get this in your special chow mein. Look at that, look at that. That's like getting an extra dish when you order special chow mein. Only time I ever ordered a special chow mein, you get the mussels in the shell. Well, right now, like the Trudeau, he's promising everything. Like he just throw everything out there, but he knows the timeline. He's not going to get it done. And then all the problem is just wants to get elected. And then once he's elected, he's not going to promise anything. He did this for 9 years. Do you think he's going to change? So another great meal at the Angel Buffet. Finish off with my milk tea. Ooh, that's good.
Today I'm going to do a simple and delicious recipe for curry, chicken, and potato stir fry.
I've got 5 potatoes here. These are Yukon potatoes, so they're fairly firm. They won't fall apart. So I just cut the potatoes in half and just cut the potatoes about a 1/4 inch thick. So 5 potatoes might be quite a bit, so let's just see how it goes. So I got some water going at a boil here. Potatoes have been in the boiling water for about 5 minutes. I'll let it go for another few minutes. So just make sure you stir the potatoes so they don't stick together. So give the potatoes one last stir before I take them off. Then we're going to run the potatoes under cold water. And now we're going to put the potatoes in the strainer. Run some cold water. First you preheat a pan at medium heat. Then put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Got about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic that has been chopped. So give that a quick stir fry for about 20 seconds. Got about 5 or 6 ounces of sliced chicken. So I've got the thigh meat, which is pretty moist, so it won't dry up like breast meat. So we don't have to worry too much about the chicken drying up. But give the chicken a good sear. So just mix the ginger and the garlic with the chicken. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. So the chicken's been cooked about halfway through. I'm going to turn the heat on to high. So just move the chicken over to one side. I've got about 5 potatoes here, so that's roughly 3 to 4 cups of potatoes. I'm going to put about 2 cups of water into the potatoes. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium now. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Put a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. So there's about a cup of red, orange, and green pepper, just for color. So you can put 1 to 2 tablespoons of curry powder in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. So the dark soy sauce will just give the sauce a little color. So now I've got
2 tablespoons of cornstarch in half a cup of water. So you might not need the whole amount to put in, but I'm going to put some in right now just to see how much I need to thicken the sauce. So I've got about 5 potatoes in there, so I probably do need the whole 2 tablespoons of cornstarch solution. So that's the last of the cornstarch solution. So if you want the potatoes cooked more, you can leave it in the wok a little longer, or you can boil the potatoes a little longer before you put them in. We'll give the potatoes and the chicken one last stir fry. So there's quite a bit of potatoes here, probably 2 plates. There you have it, curry chicken with potatoes, Chinese style. Enjoy.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.